made it to Barbados. Now, this port is not like any other port. It's a container ship port. And I heard it takes about a 7-minute walk to get to where you need to be at. It looks like they do offer some shuttle services, but it's probably going to be faster because there's only 2 buses that hold about 30 people. So faster than that. Three stops to go. We ran into the Explorer 2 and the Britannia. The Britannia is by P&O Cruise Lines, and actually we talked to somebody at Maho Beach from Ireland, and they flew from Ireland to Barbados, got on that ship, went around the Caribbean and came back. So I think this ship for P&O Cruise Lines is staged out of Barbados, so may give you another option if you want to go see some of the Lower Antilles or Lesser Antilles. You may want to try the P&O Cruise Line. So they actually have 2 Barbados signs. So if everybody's congregating around the first one, there's one like 80 feet away from it. My home away from home.